Hey there, welcome to our channel where we share tips and tricks to help you achieve your dreams. Today we're going to talk about 5 tips to help you become rich. Tip 1. Focus on building passive income. The first tip to becoming rich is to focus on building passive income streams. This means finding ways to make money while you sleep, such as investing in stocks, creating a blog, or starting a rental property business. Passive income can help you build long-term wealth and financial security. Tip 2. Invest in yourself. The second tip is to invest in yourself. This means investing in education, skills, and personal development. Continuously learning and improving your skills can help you stay competitive in the job market, increase your earning potential, and open up new opportunities for wealth creation. Tip 3. Live below your means. The third tip to becoming rich is to live below your means. This means spending less than you earn and avoiding unnecessary expenses. By living below your means, you can save money and invest it wisely, which can help you build wealth over time. Tip 4. Create a financial plan. The fourth tip is to create a financial plan. This means setting financial goals and creating a roadmap to achieve them. A financial plan can help you stay on track, avoid financial pitfalls, and make informed decisions about your money. Tip 5. Surround yourself with successful people. The final tip to becoming rich is to surround yourself with successful people. This means finding mentors, joining networking groups, and surrounding yourself with people who are already successful in their fields. Being around successful people can help you learn from their experiences, gain new insights, and stay motivated to achieve your own goals. Conclusion: there you have it, 5 tips to help you become rich. Remember, becoming wealthy is not an overnight process. It takes time, effort, and dedication. By following these tips and staying focused on your goals, you can create a brighter financial future for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to help you achieve your dreams.